first step I do is I put on my cute little gloves. And I sprinkle baking soda in there. Turn on the water to hot. Use my trusty ugh. Gross. Yuck. Next thing you do is you get your lemons. Grab your lemons and toss them into you add your baking soda as much as you can. Nice and abrasive. And then you get your vinegar. And watch this gorgeous reaction. Bubbles. This is it. I'd like to copy that. You can hear it working on the other side. That is plug up your sink. Get the water extra hot. Extra hot water. And you add your Clorox. And I can smell the lemon. It smells so good.